Hi guys, and welcome to Unity tutorial of how to create a menu. So let me show you how this menu works. That will take me to game number one, and I can always return back to my main menu, back to my main menu. And number three, I don't know exits, and yes, I do exit. So what's going to happen now is I'm going to start a new project entirely, and you guys will see how I'm going to put this together. Okay, guys, let's create a new menu entirely. Well, first of all, let me show you guys the lines of code that I intend to use. And I'm going to make this code available. It's very easy, very simple. So that's the lines of code I intend to use. And that's the exit lines of code as well. Okay, so get started. So first of all, I'm going to right click in here, the hierarchy area, and I'm going to add image. Okay, this very image, let's just increase the size. Click on run. Okay, that size look, it seems to be a little bit big, but that's okay. So I'm going to come in here and just change the back color to something black. And next, I'm going to add buttons. So right click and let's go to UI. I will select button. Okay, that's the first button. I'm going to make the size of that button 400. Okay, come right here in here and select the text, and I'm going to call that game one. There we go. So down here and increase bring the fonts bold, and I will change the color to blue. That's good. And it's centered. That's fine. So I'm going to run it and just see how that looks like. There we go. Okay, that's nice. So what I'm going to just do next is I will copy this very button, right click, create a duplicate. That will be select that, just bring it down. Repeat the same thing. And this is going to be for create another duplicate. That'll be number 3, and that's going to be for my exit. Now select the text in there, change the text to exit. Right down here, select this, change the text on this to game 2. Right, I do have game 1 and 2 on board. So I'm going to show you guys those games now. Game 1 and 2. That is game number 1. Save that. Okay. If you want to see this game, how it was put together, there's a tutorial on board already. And number 2, that's going to do with the starter assets. So let's come right in here, double click on the starter asset and go to third person. Let's see as the scene. There we go. So those are the games. That's the third person. There we go. That's the third person. And I'm going to show you guys number 1 as well. That's number 1. There we go, guys. That's game number 1. Okay. Now, I've already added some buttons to those ones. Okay. Now, let's go back to sample right there. Let's do that again. Same. And then go back to this. Next, select the file. Select the project. In here, make sure you select scene list and grab hold of the first game, game 1, drag and drop it in there. See the number that is 1, while the main string is 0. Now let's go to the data assets, third person, scene. Grab hold of that, dump it there. All right, so 0, 1, 2. Close that. Next, I'm now going to grab hold of the lines of codes. Let's double click on the lines of code so that you guys have another look at it. There, that's the lines of codes. Okay. Make sure you actually call Scene Manager. So this will be the front. That's with the 0. Okay, that's the name of my class. This is the function for the main menu, the function for game 1, and the function for game number 2. And the last function here is just the exits. When you click on exit, it's going to ask you to confirm if you want to exit or not. I will make these lines of codes available. All right, so minimize that. I suppose it is saved. Let's make sure it's saved. All right then. So grab hold of these lines of code and just dump it on the main camera. So grab hold of it, dump it on the main camera. There. Select button number 1. Scroll right down. See where we have the click. Click on the plus sign. Grab hold of main camera. Drop it right there. Now it's saying what's the function. Drop it down. Select the function. The class. And then you need the function. The main function will be game 1. Now let's select button number 2. Repeat the same thing. Grab all of that. Main camera. And we'll drop it right there. And select the function. Okay. Once. Number 2. And number 3. That is for exit. Repeat the same thing. Grab all of the main camera. Drop it there. Select that. And we need exit game. And that's it. So I'm going to run it now, just see how that's going to work. Click on game 1. There we go. And let's check out the menu. That takes me back to the menu. Click on game number 2. That's game number 2 there. That takes me back here. Now exit. No, I don't want to exit. Or you can click yes, I do want to exit. And that is how you create your own main menu for your games. So that guys, I'm gonna call it the end of this brilliant tutorial. Suppose you guys enjoyed it, and please do subscribe to my channel. And you can also join to become a member of the channel. You all have a nice day now. Bye for now.